Hey guys, so I want to let you know about an event coming up next week that I know that you are not going to want to miss out on. It is the 5-day free Launch Your Reselling Biz Challenge. This is 5 days where I am going to be with you, providing you training. I'm going to be live with you, and I have so much planned for next week. I do not want you to miss out. There's going to be giveaways, prizes. There is a private Facebook community so you can connect with other resellers who are starting their reselling business. This event is going to be sponsored by Vendoo, which is the cross-listing tool that I use. And we're going to be having Vendoo even come in and do a demo with us. And it's going to be so much fun. I do not want you to miss out on this. This is for you if you have not started your reselling business yet, or if you've started but you're just not to a place where you want to be. So I'm going to leave the link to join the free challenge below this video, and I hope that I will see you there. It'll run Monday through Friday, August 21 through August 25. Hope you will join me. See you soon.